Well, this breaking input is also relevant to the Parliament session where Congress sources have now suggested that Leader of Opposition Mallikarjun Kharge, Mukul Vashnik and Abhishek Manu Singhvi will speak today during discussion on the Constitution in the Rajya Sabha. Well, these are the latest inputs that we are tracking from the ground, where according to the sources suggesting us, Leader of Opposition Mallikarjun Kharge, Mukul Vashnik and Abhishek Manu Singhvi will speak today during the discussions in the Constitution in Rajya Sabha. Now, joining us on the broadcast is our colleague Sharon. A very good morning, Sharon. Sharon, we are getting this information this morning on Congress sources suggesting us that Leader of Opposition Mallikarjun Kharge will be speaking in Rajya Sabha today. What is expected out of his speech and what will be the key agenda?
Good morning, Kohina. And today is, of course, the first day of the constitutional debate in Rajya Sabha. We have seen a 2-day-long debate that went on in Lok Sabha, and there were, of course, fireworks where the Congress was, in fact, attacking the BJP over how the minorities are under attack, the entire issue of crony capitalism, also the issues that went down in Hathras and Sambhal. And now we can expect on the same line that in Rajya Sabha as well, there is going to be attack that is going to come in from the Congress party, specifically from Mallikarjun Kharge, because just 2 days back we have seen a huge war of words between the chairperson of Rajya Sabha, Jagdeep Dhankar, and Mallikarjun Kharge, where he said that he is not being respected as a leader of opposition in the floor of the House. So we can expect, of course, another firework in the constitution debate in Rajya Sabha. Now, after the leader of opposition, Mallikarjun Kharge, Mukul Vashnik and Abhishek Manu Singhvi are the ones who are lined up to speak. So, of course, the issues are going to be the Manipur issue, the caste census. Apart from that, they are going to highlight the crony capitalism, certain businessmen are being given all the deals in the country. That is another issue that will, of course, be raised by the party. So it is, of course, the line that is going to be taken by the party is on the very expected line. But we have seen all this is coming after 2 days, after there was a huge war of words between Mallikarjun Kharge and Jagdeep Dhankar over how he is not respected as a leader of opposition and not being let to speak in the floor of the House.
Right, Sharon, but help us also understand the Congress party's stance, especially after PM Modi's scathing attack and its relation to the Constitution.
Well, when it comes to the Constitution, we have seen that the opposition parties during the Lok Sabha election have raked up the entire Constitution issue and have been saying that Samvidhan khatre mein hai, Samvidhan bachao. And now, of course, they have in fact been saying that the BJP government is trying to change the Constitution in coming days. If they have the numbers, they will change the Constitution. But because the Congress party and the India Alliance have got a good number, that now will be prevented is the stand that was being taken by the Congress party. And now once again, with one nation, one poll is expected to be tabled tomorrow or in the coming days. That is another issue that will be raked up by the Congress party, where they will say that the entire constitution is being changed to implement one nation, one poll, and that is something that will not be accepted by the Congress party or the India Alliance. So you can expect, number of issues, like I mentioned, Manipur, be it the caste census, crony capitalism, all this will be there, but also the highlight is going to be the one nation, one poll, which the government is trying to bring in by 2034. They want to implement in India. That will be, of course, will prevented by the Congress party by tooth and nail.
Right, Sharon, thank you so much for bringing in all those details. Well, clearly these debates and speeches could open up the floor for discussion on constitutional integrity, amendments and current political challenges from the perspective of the opposition leaders. But now let's take a look at some of the political reactions on this report.
जब चुनाव हो जाते हैं ना देश में, तो विपक्ष का कोई अलग से प्रधानमंत्री नहीं होता। माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी हमारे भी प्रधानमंत्री हैं। उनकी शिकायत किससे करूं? अपने फर्स्ट अमेंडमेंट को लेकर के क्या बोल दिया? कम से कम उस दौर के लोग भैंस मंगलसूत्र मुजरा बेटी उठा ले जाएगा वाली जुबान नहीं बोल रहे थे। वो कौन सी संवैधानिक जुबान है? बार बार चाहता हूं आप विशाल हृदय वाले प्रधानमंत्री दिखे हमें, लेकिन बार बार हमें कष्ट होता है कि हम नाकामयाब होते हैं। हम ढूंढ नहीं पाते अपने प्रधानमंत्री को विशाल हृदय के साथ।
किसको क्या ट्वीट करना चाहिए, किसको क्या बोलना चाहिए, मोदी जी सिर्फ बीजेपी के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं है, वो इस देश के प्रधानमंत्री हैं। और देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी के लिए इस प्रकार की अभद्र भाषा का उपयोग करना ये उनकी मानसिकता को दिखाता है और इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि इसका कोई जवाब देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है।